I am Sukhman Garewal and today I want to discussion with Dr. Dinesh Gupta related to our heart problems like heart attacks. So welcome Dr. Dinesh Gupta and no doubt heart attack is very common disease among people. So that's why my first question is what is a heart attack?
Okay. Heart attack is the death of heart muscles from the sudden blockage of a coronary arteries. Next.
And so my next question is what causes of the heart attack?
Your heart muscles need a constant supply of oxygen rich blood. Your coronary arteries give your heart this critical blood supply. If you have coronary artery disease, those arteries become narrow and blood cannot flow as well as it should. When your blood supply is blocked, you have a heart attack. Fat, calcium, proteins, and inflammatory cells build up in your arteries to from plaques. These these plaques deposit are hard on the outside and soft and mushy on the inside.
Okay. And my next question is please explain the symptoms of this disease.
Sukmanji have many symptoms vary on person to person. Discomfort, pressure, heaviness, tightness, squeezing, or pain in your chest, or go to arm or below your breastbone, discomfort that goes into your back, jaw, throat, or arm, fullness, indigestion, or a choking feeling. It may feel like heartburn, sweating, upset stomach, vomiting, or dizziness, severe weakness, anxiety, fatigue, or shortness of breath, fast or uneven heart beat. Some can be different from person to person or from one heart attack to another. Women are more likely to have symptoms like an upset stomach, shortness of breath, or back or jaw pain.
Okay. Lastly, please discussion about the treatment of heart patients.
Treatment of heart patient. In modern science, have three ways of treatment. First is medical management. Second is angioplasty. Third is bypass surgery. Patient will take medicines for rest of complete life, not cure. In Anant Hospital, we treated all the heart diseases with the aid of medicines only. Our medicine has no side effects, rather it is benefited for other systems of body too. So it can help the body to fight with other systemic diseases too. In this way, our medicine is helpful to patient in one and the other way. If there is any blockage in any coronary arteries, whether small or large, it is not only in coronary artery but can be transmitted to other arteries of body and can create other systemic problem which can enrich the life of patient with our medicine. All such blockers are moved properly and they do not replace again, and patient can enjoy life with family as normal person without any medicine.
So thank you, Dr. Dinesh Gupta. And if any person have to face these problems like a heart attack and so on, these persons can contact us in Anant Hospital near State Bank of India, Pakhoba Road, Jodha, and contact us on a mobile number. And so please note it, 99159 and 66084. Thank you, all of you.